I think we showed a hell of a lot of courage tonight. I think before the game, before we kicked the ball, because of Andorra's record, everybody thought it was a formality. I never once complained about the pitch before the game, but I can now. We've won. And the pitch wasn't great, in all fairness. Very, very difficult for our lads. If you're a passing team on a pitch like that, then forget it. It's such a slow tempo to the game because of the pitch. And we found it very difficult, but we knew what to expect before we went into the game, and we said, all we need to do is win the game. Tonight is not really about the performance. We've got to take care of business. 1-0, 2-1, we just need to win the game. And Andorra, they made it very, very difficult. But we stuck at it, so I was proud of the lads. They stuck at it, showed a lot of courage.